Good evening, guys. You're going to think I've lost my mind. I have, but you're not supposed to know that. Anyway, I got something that I bought the other day from a friend of mine, and he didn't know what it was or how to use it. And this is what it is. So a friend of mine was cleaning out a house he was selling, or renovating actually, and they had this thing in here. I thought, you know what? For whatever it was, 50 bucks or whatever it was, I thought I'm going to try it out. So I'm trying it tonight for the first time because I'm going to a car show tomorrow, and I hadn't had a chance to wash the car, and the wheels look like hell. So I'll give you a before and after. But this thing's pretty cool. So this is my Trident black wheels on my 2020 Corvette. And like I said, I'm going to a car show tomorrow, so I wanted to get it cleaned up. So I'll give you a little before and after. This is a short video, but like I said, I thought you might get a kick out of it. So even the barrels are dirty, as you can see here. So I'm going to hit those two real quick. I've already done two wheels, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to make a video on this. So here's a little more. I keep it out so much. So I sped that up 50%, but as you can see there, a little bit dirt there I didn't get out. But got the barrels clean. Look at those wheels. That is unbelievable. I don't do much product kind of crap. I even did the brake calipers. You can see a little bit of dust in there still, but anyway, that's with a spotlight on it. So anyway, I thought you might get a kick out of that. That was pretty damn impressive. So that was money well spent on that McCullough steamer, and I could certainly recommend it. That took 2 minutes 59 seconds, not because I tried, just that's what the tape turned out to be. And I'll speed it up, and I sped it up in the video. So I'm not sure how long it's going to end up in the video after I speed it up, so you don't have to watch the whole thing. But I just did one wheel, but 3 minutes a wheel, 12 minutes plus a couple minutes of cleaning up, 15 minutes, this thing's done. So pretty damn impressive. Thought you get a kick out of it. That's my cheap garage sale, yard sale buy of the day. As my wife said, it's cute. So all you do is open it up here, pour the water in. Takes 2 to 8 minutes to light up. Just turn it on and off here. This indicator light tells you when it's steaming, or when it's making water, or making steam out of the water. And that's it. So they have them at a couple auto parts stores, but this one came from Harbor Freight, I believe. I saw in the instructions. So anyway, they get a kick out of it. It comes with a bunch of attachments too, so you can do more stuff with it. Got some fine attachments with some plastic brushes for doing probably semi-hard stuff. This one's really soft. I probably could have used it on the wheels. Then it's got some harder ones, and then it's got 2 steel ones. I don't know what you'd use those on. I wouldn't use them on anything. Then a couple things for carpet, a squeegee one, and comes with a cloth or something, who knows what. But anyway, if I get a kick out of it, that's the McCullough heavy duty steamer cleaner. So great for car use, guys. Thought you get a kick out of it. I just that's my best prize I've gotten in a while. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button down there, please. That gives me some feedback for YouTube. And subscribe. hit the notification button once you subscribe, and I will catch you guys probably tomorrow. I'm in blogging mood, or vlogging mood, I guess they use the phrase in YouTube, vlogging instead of blogging. Anyway, tomorrow we're going to the Easter car show here in St. Louis, and I'll try and get some good shots of that stuff as well. So happy Easter, everybody. Thank you again. Talk to you soon.